Good evening, dear faculty. Praise be Jesus and Mary. This evening, I will be orienting you on the resources and services that are available in the library. Following are the contents for this presentation. First, the online databases. Second, open access resources. And lastly, the online services. For the online databases, the library has subscription to 4 online databases which can be accessed 24/7, anytime, anywhere, as long as you have internet connection. For this presentation, let me just focus on the 3 databases that are useful in the higher education department. In the succeeding slides, you will be oriented on the features of the online databases, as well as some basic search techniques in using online databases. The first database is Gale Cengage Learning. This database provides access to full text, citations, abstracts, as well as ebooks and videos. The link is tinyurl.com/lcgale database. Accessing the online databases outside the school campus requires username and password. May I ask the faculty that at the end of this presentation, kindly fill out the LC Patron form so that the library can have your email addresses. Username and password of the online databases will be sent to your email. Gale database provides access to various databases. I suggest that when using Gale, you have to select the database depending on your information need. If you need scholarly journal articles, choose Gale Academic OneFile. If you need essays on the lives and works of authors, choose Gale Literature. If you need reference magazines, choose General OneFile. If you need reference sources, choose Gale Ebooks. How to search and browse sources in Gale Ebooks. You can enter keywords in the search box, for example, distance learning, or you can also browse the collections by subject areas. Next is managing search results. For distance learning, the search yielded 4,075 search results, which can be sorted as to relevance, document title, publication date, publication title, and content level. The color-dotted box represents the content level. To view the contents of the chapter, just click the title. Inside the book chapter, the table of contents can be viewed. If you want to download all the chapters of the book, you need to download the chapters individually. Citing the book chapter is made easy. Just click the cite icon and select APA 6th edition, and all you have to do is just to copy and paste the citation in your document. The book chapter can be saved in your Google Drive, OneDrive, and in your email. You can also email it to your colleagues or to your students. The book chapter can be downloaded in the following formats: PDF and MP3. Sharing the book chapter to your students is easy. Just click the Google Classroom icon and choose Class. For those who have Gmail account, you can link it when using Gale database. Linking your Gmail allows you to easily save the articles or chapters in your Google Drive. A unique feature of the Gale database is that articles can be translated into various languages. As shown in your screen, the articles are translated in Spanish and Bahasa Indonesia language. The second database is ProQuest. This is the largest single periodical resource available, bringing together complete databases across all major subject areas. This includes business, health and medical, social sciences, education, science and technology, and humanities. The link is search.proquest.com. How to search and browse in ProQuest. Enter the keywords in the search box, for example, distance learning, and see to it that you check the box full text and peer-reviewed. How to manage search results. For distance learning, the search yielded 325,000 plus search results, which can be sorted as to relevance, oldest first, or most recent first. The search results can be filtered as to source type. If you want scholarly journals, magazines, trade journals, conference papers, and working papers, as well as publication date. To view the contents of the article, just click the title. The article can be downloaded in PDF. Citing the article is made easy. Just click the icon Cite and select APA 6th edition. And all you have to do is just to copy and paste the citation into your document. The articles can be sent also to your colleagues and students. The third database is Emerald. It's a specialized database which provides access to scholarly journals, magazines, and dissertation in the subject areas of tourism, hospitality, and library studies. The link is emerald.com/insight. Unlike with Gale and ProQuest, that universal username and password is provided. Emerald requires personalized login. Thus, you need to register using your email address, which will serve as your username. You have to enter the required fields, such as your name, your email address, and the organization access number will be also sent to your email. How do you know if you have successfully registered? Once your name appears, it means you have successfully registered. How to search and browse sources in Emerald. Enter the keywords in the search box, or you can explore the Emerald's content. See to it that you select journals and open access. How to manage search results in Emerald. See to it that in the access portion, tick all the boxes. The search results can be filtered as to year, content type, and can be sorted as to relevance, newest to oldest or oldest to newest. To view the contents of the article, just click the title, and the article can be viewed in HTML format and can be downloaded in PDF. In addition to the online databases, these are some open access resources which provides ebooks in various subject areas. Although the library is physically closed, the library offers the following online services. First, as a librarian, LIRA or Library Research Assistance, book borrowing, library scanning, and Open Ebooks alert. If you have any concerns, please feel free to ask the librarians through email and chat messenger. The email address of the library is learningcommonslc@gmail.com. So that you will know updates from the library, please like and follow our official Facebook page. That is at Learning Commons LC. If you need assistance to library resources, ask Lira. To access Lira, please take note of the link tinyurl.com/asklira. If you will request research assistance, the library requires you of the following personal details. This includes your complete name, email address, your contact number is optional, department, program, and designation. After you have entered the required fields, you will be asked then the kind of assistance you need. For example, you need assistance in library resources. Next, you have to specify what type of resources do you need. The following are the options: books, ebooks, ebook chapters, e-journals, and videos. Next, you have to specify the titles or topics. For example, ebooks, distance education; books, distance learning; e-journals, flexible learning; videos, educational tools for distance learning. And there's an option also if you would like the videos to be downloaded or just the link. And click submit. Expect a response within 1 to 2 working days or longer in cases of multiple requests. If you want to borrow books from the library, first you have to search for the title of the book using the library online catalog. Please take note of the link tinyurl.com/library-online-catalog. And please take note of the title of the book and the call number. After you have written down the title and the call number, send request through Lira. You will be notified when the books are ready for pickup. Books can be picked up outside the entrance door of the Learning Commons. And please sign the book receipt and leave it on the table. Return the books exactly on the specified due date reflected on the book receipt. To return books, you have to place the books with the book receipt in the book return box found at the entrance door of the Learning Commons. An email will be sent confirming the return of the books. Aside from book borrowing, the library also offers library scanning service. This service is available only to Lourdes College community, and the scanning request applies only to books and journals that are available in the library. Normal extract limits pursuant to fair use. This means that up to one chapter of a book or 10% of the total, whichever is greater, and up to one article from one journal issue or 10%, whichever is greater. To request library scanning, first you have to browse for the title of the book or journal using the library online catalog, and then send request through Lira. An email will be sent confirming the request as well as the table of contents so that you can choose the specific chapter or article you need. When the digital file is available, an email notification will be sent with the link for downloading. The library provides Open Ebooks Alert service, where free downloadable ebooks are posted every week in the Learning Commons Facebook page. Please find time to answer the LC Patron form. Your personal details will be used by the library for sending library updates as well as the username and password for the online databases. In the patron form, the following details will be asked: your last name, first name, email address, department, designation, program, and birth date. And kindly use the code SERVICE. Let me end this presentation with a message from the Learning Commons staff. Kapag kailangan mo ng impormasyon, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. That would be all. Thank you very much for listening and stay safe, everyone.